Hello guys, today we are going to play Granny and I'm going to play Hard Nightmare. Yes, it's going to be hard and a long video, so bear with me. Okay, why is it not, why is it not loading? Please, if it's a bad preset, I'm not going to play it. Preset 3, preset 3, down, preset 3. I hate this song. I hate this. I hate this.
How did I do that? I pushed the weapon key down and somehow it grabbed.
Yeah, I'm dead. Yes!
You're faster than me.
I'm really scared. My heart is pounding for no reason.
I thought this was the wall. Give me the door. Give me the door. Give me the door.
I know there's this here.
How did I miss that? Slept on the shelf. And this was out of this.
There's a remote control here. Yeah, one time let's make another funk song.
In the safe, what did you find before?
Chain cutters.
Hello? 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 Bob!
Locked in. The number's 1.
Where am I?
Where? How? Oh, I understand.
We got onto the jail cell.
Bro, I'm so scared.
I thought, where am I? Then I saw, I'm in the TV room. I was down. How am I in here? Let me tell you now. Because the jail cell pushed you upwards. And I don't know why the jail cell got super glued to the floor and they're doing like, I wanted to push it down.
I didn't want her to see me.
Is it true?
No, it's hard. Why?
Don't you? Want something? Yeah, I will.
I'm gone.
Go put my car stuff and make sure to bring the wheel here. And don't pass the for 90. That's right. Running. Activated.
I'm going to get the padlock.
I activated running.
But what are you doing? Bro. It's so fast. She didn't see me.
Yeah, I remember I need one.
I'm going to get the weapon key.
Minute. Get this. This is how to do the biggest cheat in the world. You need to do this, and then it. Ooh. I was pushing it, it was like sliding on me. Look at this, I can push it. I'm extra safe. What if I do this? Where am I?
Where? Again, you have the most buggy game.
Ah, I'm under here.
I got the weapon key.
I did a glitch.
Now he's up.
Let me place it. The car doesn't have a floor.
What?
The car doesn't have a bottom. And the tires don't have a inside. I need to escape. So that's why.
Oh,
I'm gonna go to the spider place. And I'm gonna escape. Why? Why can't I escape? If only I could jump.
Bro.
I couldn't escape. No! The engine parts. I made it only accessible from here. Oh.
Is there something? Is there something here?
You want to see something?
Nothing.
Red! Red is not existent. The number 2. Bro, look. I'm in the spider place and I see it from there. Let me go to the elevator and see.
I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to run. The boxes! I hate you.
I need to go in there. No! I need to die. I glitched
How?
the game.
I hate you.
No, I can grab the hammer from down here. Now the engine parts.
Run
The hammer
fast.
is out of bounds.
Why? Screwdriver.
Only I could go inside from this. Go! Go up! Please, game. Let me.
But I need to see her.
No, I got a good set and then I can't do it. No.
I only lost one.
What's the screwdriver doing there?
But I already lost an arrow because it stayed on where the screwdriver sits. There was a gasoline. Then the gasoline said, "No, arrow,
Playhouse
don't
key.
go
I
down."
want it. I want the playhouse key. Give me the playhouse key. I want it.
Don't. Yes.
I want to escape. If only I could jump. This is their view. A cobble. Why can't I grab the cobble? I'm having fun now. I'm not playing.
Focus.
Ugh! Spider's floating.
Please, something good. I want something good in the playhouse.
No, I'm going back to go. Why can't I escape?
Why was she going outside? I was going outside and I was scared.
Well, why can't I escape? I'm like right here. This is the escape hitbox.
She was going. She spawned outside.
Should I tell you how to go here?
No. Have to go where?
To this position. You can go anywhere you want. Without going to use this lobby. Not like everywhere you want. Like everywhere in this place.
But why would I want that?
How would I know?
How am I going to win?
I want that. Well, I need to waste a day just because I did this monstrosity. Free spider place. I don't have a spider thing. It's not by me. Let me in the spider place.
Perfect. Something good.
Let me in there. Let me. Now I can see the pedestal from down here. This is weird. No! I'm in the endless loop! I'm doing so good! I'm
I'm locked in.
I'm locked in doing an extreme, okay?
What?
I'm gonna do extreme.
You can't do that.
I can. You know that one that I had like that I was living on tranquilizers. On the day 5 I was going to do a clutch until it wished out.
What should I do? What should I do? What should I do then? Okay, I know.
30 seconds is nothing. Piece of food. Piece of food.
Can you shut up? Can I look in here for a sec? I now remembered what was I doing. I forgot to use the outside screwdriver. What, bro?
You put extra locks. Hmm?
Perfect. Please something bad. Yes! But I'm still going to not use it. I'm still pissed. If there's something bad here, I'm not going to get it. It's number 1. Please.
Is there cutting pliers? No, it's not piece of two.
I actually don't care.
Then you listen. Where was the special key?
Yeah. So fast.
This is hollow mode. This is not extreme. Look at this. Then people
I want
can outrun the
I want
speed.
her to go there again so I can go.
I'm a new. How can I survive this? She's faster than me by a lot, not a little. Always. Always. You need to find a switch.
You wasted a million seconds of your life.
No, the ball.
Go
The safe
long.
doesn't have a door? When was that a thing? Something in here too.
I hate this. I don't like the spider place. I hate the 1.7. I hate the 1.8 update. Please remove it or make it easier. Because but the spider can't die.
Just let her see you and do the trick.
No, I hate this. She's so fast. Why?
She's not so fast.
Yeah.
She's like a little bit faster than normal. She isn't faster than me.
If I'm scared of an easier spider thing, how am I going to?
How did you beat hard? By being scared and not doing this in the.
Why? Why is she just staying there? Go to the elevator. Go to the elevator.
No.
I'm dead.
You ain't dead. You ain't dead. You ain't dead. But how did you like crouch again? Why? Your phone glitched in. Your phone.
Yeah.
Run! Run! Run!
Bro, I don't know how I did that.
You're like,
Why is she going downstairs?
he said, let me go downstairs and check on the kidnapped kid.
Bro, why am I down? Bro, it's impossible to go.
No, you need to go back.
She said, like, okay, I'm lost. Then, she's losing me. Then, she's back. Like,
He said no.
no. I don't want to die. But how did I survive? Why didn't I just go like around the car? Then I.
You want to play hide and seek?
Did she see you?
Yeah, she's on.
She's probably using shower.
I'm going to bring her here. As much as I can hear, then I'm going to go. I hate this.
Wow.
But I can't beat it. I can't beat it. I need to remember the presets more.
I remember them really good, but I don't know preset 1.
I don't know. I just know.
I know where
preset.
the book are. The book is in
Bro.
preset 1.
No, Yeah, but how did I survive that like granny encounter?
How would I know? Hard, please. I'm gonna do hard too. But default, not nightmare.
I'm going to kill her.
Killer. I am a killer. I am a killer.
Yeah, I'm a killer.
I'm a killer?
I'm a killer.
I'm
I'm a killer.
scared.
No, I'm going to kill her. Nathan. You're dead.
What's your dead?
You can't win this.
I am better than you. I beat it 2 times.
And I don't care.
I don't care about your opinion though.
But why was she going downstairs? Like,
Piece of 4. It's piece of 4. It's piece of 4. I know where the weapon key is, and I'm right near it.
where?
The car. Come on, boss. Give me that. Yeah. Wait, let me do something. Yes. What I'm talking about.
I finished all the screwdrivers, but where is the padlock key?
Come here, Grandma.
She was there.
Come here, Grandma.
Where's the padlock key?
And what piece it?
2. Two?
Piece of 2, padlock key? How would I know?
Well, you would know.
I don't know.
Google it.
I don't
Please
know.
Google it.
No.
No.
It's in the screwdriver of the spider.
Spark plug. Screwdriver spark plug.
Playhouse.
Master key.
Sure, that's piece of 3.
No. Preset.
Piece of 3 was master key too.
Bro,
I don't know. I'm telling you. I don't know.
let me show you. Look. I'm going to go into the playhouse. If it's closed, there's a padlock key. If it's open, there was a master key. Yeah, there was a master key. So,
How would I know? I'm telling you, I don't know.
you would know.
I don't know.
You know.
Do you know how I like didn't like smash it down? What the fuck?
I'm scared.
I'm sorry.
What did you say? You're stupid.
Well, I don't know.
But where is...
Like Gray was, I don't know, moonwalking.
I don't know where it... Where...
Gray was moonwalking.
I know.
She
it's
was
not.
like, oh, you there? Wait, what was that thing? Like, I was like, on the weird crack of the stairs, and then she saw me from there, and then she said,
Oh, here's the cutting pliers. If there's a hammer here, there's nothing here.
there's no.
The melon? What is the melon? It's in the melon.
Probably the padlock code. No, padlock key.
With the padlock, I got it. Okay, that's good. Well, I'm
Okay,
going
let me
to put the cutting pliers to my home, then I'm going to go here again.
Grandma! See, I won.
Bro.
It. Thank you.
Please, 30 seconds.
At least there's no bar.
Oh, stop.
Padlock key! I found the padlock key. These are 4. I think there's 1 or 2
No, please.
Number is 1.
Bro.
You are on the meat.
I was on meat.
Yeah. I have the padlock key. Do you know that? So that means I'm pro.
So that means
So that means
you have the padlock key. Well, I have everything except the padlock key.
the padlock key is a lot harder to find than other stuff.
This video is going to be 30 minutes long when I beat this.
More. You beat easy in 40 minutes.
Yeah, for some reason. Where is it? I hate you. Tooth. Yes. Is the aiming? I aimed it. I aimed it like a master. There's nothing! You liar!
For what? In what?
Car battery!
I was going to say that, but I forgot. Oh god.
Oh, God.
What's up? Give me that.
No, why? Get this.
Cactus?
Get this. Why didn't you do? Why didn't I do that?
Cactus? What are you doing, Cactus?
Stop.
Remote control, obviously. I am not safe here. Here is not safe. Here, like this, is safe. Because there's a wall.
Can you shut up?
No, I can't.
Please, let me lock in. Just.
Hip! Oh, not him.
Then I'm going to bring this upstairs. Then I'm going to get this. Then I'm going to use the. Then I'm going to get this.
Come here, Grandma. I want to keep this in.
I got like 5 more seconds.
How? You grab the people you don't instantly?
I instantly.
That gives like 2 more seconds, not.
Yeah. Bro. Cook.
I want to kill you.
I'm cooking.
I want to kill you. Get ready.
I'm cooking.
I want to kill you.
Cook. Cooking master. Not me. But I'm cooking. This video is going to this video is going to be more than 30 minutes, but it's going to be better than easy mode. Because easy mode I beat it in 40 minutes. But this is going to be in 35 minutes, I think. That's scary.
She's faster than me.
When I see her body go, I'm going to throw this and then go here. Hopefully, there's something good there.
I don't want to use hard. Hard is hard. I only have 30 seconds. If I had like 45 seconds, it would have been easy. Doesn't work, you need to throw it inside. Oh, it sometimes works. Because when she does her bath like this, her bath does it.
Oh, she's running.
Then she's gonna slap the mannequin. She slapped it. It worked.
Okay, then you'll go.
Then she'll see there's noise near the chest. Let me open it. Don't come.
Then I'm going to kill it. Then I'm going to use the cutting pliers to do. Please don't drop the thing. Yeah, he dropped it. Yeah, she dropped it. She dropped it.
Music is really scary. No,
No,
not the chase music.
It's like Granny 2 music.
You want to play hide and seek?
You know I hate this?
No, I don't.
Because I How? I attacked her with... How? No. Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my teeth.
So?
Just like that. I hate when you do that trick. Then when it randomly falls, you fall and you're all dead. How fast the gray moving backwards? So slow. That's the gray when I'm moving backwards. She's so slow.
What?
I'm faster than Gray when moving backwards because she's so slow. Is piece of fork? Not piece of fork. It's piece of fork.
Is reset fork?
Yes.
What's that reset?
It's just. It's 5. I guess it was a piece of 5. Then I looked in the drawer. Weapon key.
I'm so pro, I'm cooking!
Wait.
No.
Great. I'm a hide from you. Headshot! Give me that.
Please,
Give me that! Thank you.
please, I want the melon. Please, in the safe key. I want the melon in the safe key. I lost it.
It's probably in the spark plug. Look it.
What?
Probably in the spark plug.
The melon's in the spark plug?
Yes.
Bro, the arrow just years itself.
I need the tranquilizer. I need to tranquilize her.
Despawn.
Which is right? I need to tranquilize her, or I need the tranquilizer.
Depending.
How depending? I want one answer, and only one.
Depending. That's an answer.
Chain cutter.
Pain cutter. That's not pain cutter. Would you like?
Nothing other than the chain cutter. This is the worst preset.
Would you like a pain cutter?
No.
I would like. Fast.
Please.
Fast. Come fast.
I don't want to play Granny. I'm bored.
I love this.
There is no melon in the safe.
Bro.
There is a wooden stick.
No, the wooden stick was in the remote control.
There is
Piece of
just
chocolate?
a padlock key.
No, the rusty padlock key can't be in there.
No, it can.
No,
It actually can.
it's actually I can.
It actually can. Look, there is. Look, 3, 2,
Please.
1. There's
I
padlock.
hate you.
I told you.
I know what to do.
Which preset is it? Which preset is it?
2!
Then how did you get the weapon? How did you get the card game?
Where are you? No,
Where
I got the what? Is preset 3? I forgot.
I forgot.
I forgot. I forgot. I want some. If there's a meat there, I hate this. I'm not going to go
Where?
into the spider, a special spider again.
Wait. What is in the hammer place?
Which hammer, please?
Upstairs.
I'm saying that if there's a meat, I don't want it.
It's preset 3 then is if there is a meat.
I hate this. There is a meat. No, it is preset 3.
Okay.
Look. Please, anything. I don't want to go to spider. Get the meat. Bye, guys. I purposely died because I don't know where the padlock key is. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share. And comment. Please. I have 88 subscribers. I have 84 subscribers. I hate this. Why am I ending off on an ad?
I'm gonna see where the padlock key is in Google.